Okay, so we are outside currently at J3's Magical Shop, man.
Oh my gosh, Rem, you're so stupid.
And we're about to go ahead and get this bad boy taken off, and I'm gonna tell y'all the very first step. And this step is the easy step. Is getting off this door panel right here. So what you wanna do is pop this off right here, and you wanna pop this off that's in here. I'll be back when I take them off. We're gonna give y'all a nice little example. As soon as you pop them two off as well, if you take a look at it, you literally can pop the door off. Literally pop it off. Like, they get so easy to goddamn steal this shit, bro. Like, I don't understand. But pop this off up here, pop this off, pop the door panel off. There's gonna be something behind this that you gotta take off. You don't have to necessarily take it off, just get it up out the way. And then it's gonna be this connector here. But I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Okay, so as you see, taking these off reveals a screw right here and a screw right here. Those are literally the only two screws that you're gonna be taking off during the process of getting off the door panel. So I'll be right back when I get these bad boys off. Before we move forward, I want to have a quick reminder, man. Get you some rubber gloves or some glass-proof gloves. Get you some of these so that you do not cut yourself. Because I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10, you got glass all around your door. And get you a vacuum too so you can vacuum it up, man. Don't petty. And I'm gonna tell you this right now, you trying to make money off of somebody who had this same problem? Guess what? I'm finna teach you how to do that. So now what you wanna do is get some sort of pry tool, screwdriver, something that's not gonna damage it, and just pry it out from this side. You can start here and work your way around. So that's what we're gonna end up doing. Let me get this out of my way. We'll work our way around. If it gets too hard to pull, there we go. If it gets too hard to pull, guys, make sure you get something to pry it. But now that we have it out like this, you pretty much want to slide it up and get it over a little ridge and get it over this too. That's what we're gonna end up doing next. And for this part, I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on so I don't hurt myself. So what you're gonna do now, take a look. You see these wires here? It's all wires that's going against the door. Make sure you pull them out so you don't have to worry about nothing. You won't cut yourself, hurt yourself, any of that. That's the last thing you want to happen. But pull every last one of these out. Every last one of them. And it's also gonna be a wire in the back for the door itself. I'm gonna show you guys how not to mess that up, man. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to only show you this one good time. Excuse my fingers. But look, if you take a look here, this is gonna be inside of this right here. What you wanna do is hold these up here and pull it. Hold this up here with the other hand and pull it. And then once you do that, you'll pretty much slide this out the slot. And that'll be this wire and this little cord you gotta get out. Then we're gonna work our way down here. And everything is pretty much get you a flat head and pull out. And then one of them you pull from the door and you got the door panel out. Now that we have the entire door panel off, we're gonna focus on these screws here. All of them are 10 millimeters. So check the perimeter, you're gonna have 10 millimeters. Also, we're gonna take this bad boy out too. The window motor, we're gonna take the window motor out as well. Get those bad boys off out of these little slots here. Everything is pretty much straightforward. You know, it's not anything that is difficult. You could be able to reach into the window here if you need to get the window out. I'm gonna end up showing y'all what the mechanism looks like and everything once I get this off. I hope this video is making sense to y'all, but I got this panel off. I was able to vacuum and get all of the glass out. It's pretty simple on how to do this. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what to do. So you get your screw, you get your T25, and you put it here, like I said. So it's a green one, green, and it's a yellow. Also with that T25, you're gonna have your window motor as well. You're gonna take your window motor out. So it's gonna be 3 T25 screws here, here, and here. You take that bad boy out. What you wanna do is lift it and bring it down. So lift out and bring it down. It's gonna expose this. This is what would possibly be in the way of you getting this out. It's pretty simple. And then you just go behind this window, pull it back. Be careful not to pull this out or you're gonna have a load of problems. But then you're gonna be able to vacuum all that glass out. I was able to vacuum it out already. I hope that made sense to y'all. So if you take a look here, this is pretty much what the window is being held on with. It's nothing but a little clip that you go, it's nothing but this little flappy clip thing right here. Move this and you got your window. So what you want to do, let me zoom out. On the side right here, this rail that holds the glass, you want to push it back. You want to push it back just enough to be able to move the glass forward, and then you'll be able to lift the glass up and pull it out literally off of its track. And when it's time to put it back in, I'm gonna set my camera down and show y'all how to do that. So if y'all follow the steps properly, the same way you took the door off is the same way you put the door back on. Make sure you plug every single thing back up and have it in its rightful place. Make sure that you clean out all the glass that's inside of every piece of this window. Get you a screwdriver, you can get that out. One thing that I wanted to tell you that it was kind of hard for me to show and even record for y'all is physically getting the window into the track itself. Now, if you take a look, I'm gonna tell you this. Get your window in and guide it all the way down to the bottom. All the way down. As low as you can until it touches the window regulator. Then what you wanna do is get you a flathead. Take your flathead, go all the way down and just follow the guide. You'll see where the window meets the guide that you have to slide this into. What you wanna do is take your flathead and push it in this direction. Push it in that direction to be able to get this on track and on the window. Once you do it, it's something that once you do, you'll understand. It's really hard for me to show it, especially with me being by myself. But once you do it, you'll kind of understand. Get that guide in, push it this way with the flathead, and the window will slide right in place. And you literally tie everything back together, pull your switch, and the window will go up and be right on the track. If you hear any grinding noises, anything like that, stop what you're doing immediately, take that window back down, and make sure you cleaned out all the glass. But it's your boy, The Real J3RT, and I'm checking out with a video, man. I hope y'all was able to learn and y'all had a good time with me, man. We had ran away from the cops, from the striker, man, and we done got our window back together how it's supposed to be, man. Again, I love and appreciate y'all. It's your boy, The Real J3RT, and I'm clocking out with another video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all like what I had, man. I haven't seen a lot of videos of people doing this, and hopefully my video got you one step closer to doing this the right way. And make your money too, man. And you know how much you can charge people for this window alone? I'll tell you this is an easy job. If it was me doing this, I'll let them go get the window themselves, and I'll charge $60 to put it in. $60 install. You charge $60 for an hour. Get this bad boy done in less than an hour. You made your bread. That's food for thoughts, man. Hopefully y'all stay to the end to get that little gem, man. Like I said, I love and appreciate y'all. It's your boy, The Real J3RT, and I'm checking out with another video. Gang.